Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to check Spotify password on PC, and you can also do this on your mobile. So basically what you're going to do is you have to go to your iPhone settings and go to your password. So on your password section, or sometimes it depends. So depending on your iOS version, this may be called passwords and accounts or simply passwords. You can see a list of saved accounts and their passwords in this section. So as you can see, if you type password and then if you have saved your Spotify password right here, then all you have to do is to click that. Then you will see your Spotify password. If not, then you can now open your browser since this tutorial is all about how to see your password using your PC. So now go to your account, okay, the account that you have logged into that Spotify. So here, what you're going to do next is you have to search here in the search bar, search icon, Spotify or password. You just say password, and you have to click this password manager right here. Basically, under this password manager, you can see all the list of applications with save logins. So all you have to do is to copy that password and then open your Spotify again and then paste or log in. However, if you can see that here, the very last thing to do to open your Spotify in case that you can't see your password and you want to open your Spotify again, is to forget your password. So let me log in again to my Spotify, and suppose that I don't have the access or I forgot my password. All you have to do is to click this forget password, enter your email address here, and then send link. After that, open your Gmail account, tap that link, and then reset your password. And this time, you need to save and remember your Spotify password. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.